Hello viewers, have you ever tried to solve a crossword or a puzzle? I'm sure you must have. But have you ever designed a puzzle specifically for your students related to a particular chapter? Or making a puzzle is a big trouble for you? If yes, then this video is just for you. In this video, we are going to explore what are different types of puzzles and how to use them effectively, how to design the puzzles in minutes in a printable format. And do not worry, I will be putting all the links in the description box below. First, let's begin with the advantages of using puzzles. For children, puzzles help to enhance critical thinking as well as problem-solving skills and also help in the improvement of cognitive skills. That is the demand of 21st century, and puzzles can be very engaging and motivating for students. When you want to prepare or create a puzzle, first keep in mind the learning objectives or outcomes of that specific topic or chapter. Always keep your puzzle according to the age of the learners or students. You should keep the spellings or the words in a puzzle which students are already aware of or which you have taught as terms. Always test the puzzles beforehand. Share the puzzles with your colleagues or fellow teachers and then give them in the class. The first and the most common type of puzzle is a crossword as seen here. To create a crossword type of puzzle, the most effective, easy, and fastest tool is Crossword Labs puzzle. In this case, it's very easy to make a puzzle within minutes. You can take a printable form of puzzle like this as image or PDF, and I have made a worksheet. I have added few pictures to it. And this worksheet of stars and constellations with a crossword puzzle is ready. The answers of the puzzles are also provided by this tool. The next type of puzzle is a word search. You can ask the students to bring highlighters for solving this. To make a word search, go to dictionary.com and go to word search maker. The page looks like this. I have put all the relevant links of all the tools of puzzle making in the description box below. With the help of this tool, you can make a puzzle like this, like I have made on the topic birds, beaks and claws. And this tool also provides you with the answers of the puzzles like this. The third type of puzzle we are looking at is word scramble, where you have to unscramble letters to find words. That is, unjumble the jumbled words. With the help of word scramble reading worksheet generator from education.com, you can easily make a word scramble like this. Like the topic here is food from plants, and I have generated a puzzle like this, and the answers of the puzzle you can see on the right hand side. And after that, I created a worksheet like this by adding more verbal clues in the form of sentences and also more pictorial clues. And the students love to color the pictures. The next and the last type of puzzle is riddle. Riddle is also a type of puzzle I have made this wonderful video on 10 human body riddles. The link is in the description box, and you can also give an assignment of a video like this to your students if you wish. So hope puzzle making is no more a trouble for you, and thank you for learning with me.